Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinex and you're welcome to Coinex the producer. Previously, I treated Suno AI, how you can use it to generate music using your recorded vocals. But today's video will be focusing on using the right prompt to generate the exact desired music you're going for. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to walk you through the steps to getting the right prompt, keying it in to generate exactly the type of music you are going for. So let me quickly show you the one I already generated.
Lately I've been feeling unlucky. Lately I've been feeling uninspired. But when I look into the eyes of a stranger, I am convinced that you are the one. You are the one. He's for me. Baby, don't leave me. Leo me. I know they like to be lonely. Oh.
So what you just heard is exactly the track I was going for. So I'm going to walk you through how I got to this point. But please have in mind, if you're new to Suno, you need to sign up using your email, which is very easy. And once you're done signing up, it will bring you to this page. To start creating, you head over to Create. First, make sure it is on version 3.5, which is the latest model. And after that, we'll be focusing on the song description. And under this song description, we need to toggle off custom feature, because with the custom feature, you are now going more in depth where you can use your own lyrics and all that. But that is not what we are going for. All right, we are focusing on this first approach, which is using the song description. Now, if you look closely, you will see the models here. You can see I'm on Remy lyrics model, and they also have the classic. But this Remy is in beta and it's their latest. So we'll be going just to get only the instrumentals. Then after that, we'll also demonstrate to include the vocals. Now, this is the most important section, which is keying in your prompt. And that is where many people get it wrong. And on this example here, as you can see, an anthemic country song about not being able to wait to see you again. This is all the formats you need to get the best out of Suno. Now let me break it down. First, an anthemic, which is the emotion or the style of the track, followed by country song, which is the genre of the track you are going for. Then in conclusion, about not being able to wait to see you again, which is the purpose or the topic of the track you are going for. So with these 3 points, you can actually generate the exact desired track you want. Alright, and it's applicable to other genres. So once you've mastered this, it will be a lot easier for you to generate and get the quality and the track you want. But I'm not going to allow you go through the hassle of, brainstorming to get all those things. I have a quicker way where I employ ChatGPT. As a matter of fact, I'll be giving out that prompt for free, and it will make it a lot easier for you. All you need to do is to input the necessary questions it's gonna ask, and then after inputting it, it will generate 200 character prompts tailored to the exact style of music you are going for. But before we go into that, let me show you exactly what they mean. So let's say I want to make an R&B track. So here I need to focus on the emotions or the mood. So I will say something like emotional. Now the next thing is the genre, R&B song. Then to conclude it, you now go for what the song is about, the purpose or the title. So about missing someone you love. So with this prompt, though which is a very simple but not in-depth prompt, we've actually given Suno what it needs to know about what you want to generate. So once you're done with this, you just hit create. But have in mind, this is not in-depth, right? But the prompt I'll be giving you will go in-depth to give you specific prompts that will really give you exactly what you're going for. So let's preview this one that we just created now. And remember, I only activated to generate instrumentals. So let me include vocals so that you can see before we now go into the menu.
By midnight, I hardly sleep. My dreams are yours to keep. You go, I'm far too weak. I know it's just for the moment, but missing you really take. Most nights I hardly sleep. My dreams are yours to keep. You go, I'm far too weak. I know it's just for the moment, but missing you really takes it out.
Now, I'm going to show you how I generate precise prompts for a very good result in Suno. This time, I use ChatGPT. Like I previously said, I'll be leaving the PDF downloadable file in the description. There you will see the steps on how to use it. And also have in mind, we are maintaining this format, which is the style or mood down to the genre, then the purpose or the topic of the music you want to generate. So on ChatGPT, the first thing I usually do is to tell ChatGPT to act like a pro music analyst. All right. Then after that, ChatGPT will switch into that mood. Then I will now further go explain to ChatGPT the type of song I am going for. As you can see, I asked because I was going for an Afrobeat. So I asked ChatGPT, do you know Davido? And ChatGPT responded yes, explaining who Davido is, which is 100% accurate. So now I've programmed ChatGPT, positioning the algorithm to exact type of music I am going for with just this few prompting. Then I now further went down, as you can see here, after it asked, are you looking for an analysis of his music, a specific song, or his overall impact? So you can see that ChatGPT is now gradually understanding where I'm heading. So I further now said, I want to generate a song using Suno song description feature to create a track in the Davido's song style following this format. Now, remember, I now repeated the format we are already using, which is the emotions or style, the genre, and the topic or purpose. But I will give you information on what the emotion, genre, and purpose is. So ChatGPT now responded, as you can see. That sounds like a great idea. Give me the details for the emotion, style, genre, so on and so forth. And I will craft a perfect song description for Suno to generate a track in Davido's style. So I now broke it down. For the style, I said romantic and emotional, genre, Afrobeat, and then the topic or purpose, I said about finding true love and escaping loneliness. So with this, ChatGPT now responded with this information. So, and here is the final song description it gave, breaking it down with specific information or keywords needed. Then in conclusion, I now told ChatGPT to keep it under 200 characters, which it now gave me this information. So to verify this, I'm going to copy this right now. We head over to the description section, we paste this, and we include the vocals by toggling off these instrumentals. And once we are good to go, hit create. So let's see what it comes up with. While it is processing, the good thing about this method is you now in detail explain to ChatGPT exactly what you're going for, and then in return to give you the exact prompt for the song you want. So let's hear the generation we have now.
Used to stand so alone in the dark, like a shadow of me with no heart. If you toss me a bone, I'd fall apart. Now I'm drowning in you, I'm sinking fast. Last, I don't carry this love on my head, it's true. No waiting for.
Alright, Alright, let's hear the second version, and sometimes the second version tends to be the best, so let's check it out.
Used to stand so alone in the dark, like a shadow on me with no heart. If you toss me a bone, I fall apart. Now I'm drowning in you, I'm sinking fast. Last. I don't carry this love for my head, it's true.
So the idea here now is to give more specific information so that Suno will now give you exactly what you want. As you can see, I added Nigerian before the Afrobeat, telling Suno that there are lots of Afrobeat styles out there, but I want precisely Nigerian style, and I want guitar to be the major instrument taking the lead in the beats or the song. So once that is done, I generated, and let's have a listen to what Suno now gave me.
She said she didn't tire for this whole life. Yes, he's not living lonely. She been praying for a lover for all her life. Oh, she not fit believe that she don't heck again. She did do am again. She done the do am for days. How she did do am like this? Lie. She said,
Alright, let's check out the second version.
girl, you don't see me, I don't go run away. Yeah. I be outside through the night and day. Oh, she tell me say, she said she been tired for this cold life. Yes, she's only been lonely, been praying for a lover for all her life. Oh, she might feel believe, say she done. Hey. Again, she did the one again, she had it go for days. How she did do it like this? Lie, oh. Cause she said, you don't test since this boy said the ways. There's been too many lies to my face. Oh, I never seen none like you before. Oh boy, she talks say.
So this is exactly how I go about generating song in Suno. But trust me, you can go more in depth. You understand? You can really go more in depth. If you want it to generate a slow type of Afrobeat, you can add it here. So you can see romantic and emotional, slow Nigerian Afrobeats. You can do that. So guys, that is it for today's video. But let me know what you think about my approach in generating song in Suno. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like, share with your producer friends or people that love music and want to create music, and subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, turn on your bell notification so when next I upload videos like this or freebies for music production, you get notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Sweet, to find a lover like you, it's so sweet, real, oh, real, so she can find someone like me. All